Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is write a program to find number of characters, number of alphabets, number of spaces, and number of tabs of a given string. So here the number of characters in C language, everything is a character. Small a is a character, space is a character, tab and new line, slash n, slash r, backslash, all are the characters. Okay, so what is alphabets? Alphabets is small a to small z and capital A to capital Z. Capital A to capital Z. Capital Z. These are the alphabets. Space ASCII value is 32. Number of tabs. This is the character slash T. This ASCII value is 9. Next small a ASCII value is 97 and small z is 122. Capital A ASCII value is 65. Capital Z is 90. So everything is a character. If you want, you can write either ASCII value or character, both are same. First you have to think about what is the input. So input is a one string. So here I am taking base address is 500, next address is 501 up to array name always gives base address of an array. Here I am taking the array name is some str. This is the address of an array. This is a character address, character array, then it is the character pointer. So here you have to declare one character pointer, char str of some size 20 is equal to, here I am giving hello space and then tab space, everything is a character. Hi. In this, so number of characters, everything is character 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 is the characters. Number of alphabets is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number of spaces is 1 2. Number of tabs is 1. Okay, here you have to first you have to read the string. How to read the string? By using gets of str. After reading the string, you have to check the every character. Here index starts from 0 to n minus 1 up to null character. 0 to null character, you have to check starting index H E L O and then space and then tab, next space and so on. First you have to check 0th index, take this one is the conditions. This value is greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z. you have to satisfy this condition. Str of I value is greater than or equal to small a, and str of I value is less than or equal to small z. This is one condition. ORR in between capital A and capital Z. ORR str I value is greater than or equal to capital A, and str of I value is less than or equal to capital Z. So this condition is true, then you have to increment the alphabets. So that is alphabet, increment the alphabets. For suppose if str of I value is equal to space or 32, space ASCII value is 32, then increment the space values. Or if is a tab, str of I value is equal to tab, or directly you have to write the ASCII value 9, then you have to increment the tabs. Take number of tabs, initial 0, and then increment. Here if you want, you can write small a, or you can write ASCII values 97, 122, 65 and 90. Now you have to convert this one into code. How to convert this one? So declaration of array, and I ask the end user to enter the string and calculate the number of characters, alphabets, spaces, tabs. Alt F new F2, take file name is number of chars.c. Void main, name of the function is main. So within the main function you have to declare the string character array str of some size 20. So ask the user to enter printf enter string. So here you have to calculate the number of characters, number of spaces, number of alphabets. They are integer types. Number of characters nc is equal to 0. So number of alphabets is equal to 0. Number of spaces is equal to 0. Number of tabs is equal to 0. Initial values are 0. Then clear the screen. How to scan the string? By using gets function. So gets of str. Now you have to check the for index. You have to check our array starts from 0 index. For index purpose you take I. So this is continued up to starting of the address. For I is equal to 0 to last element. So str of I comma I plus plus. Now you have to check the first character. I value is 0. Then first character is str of I value. Now you have to check, yes, everything is character, that's why you have to increment number of characters 1. Hello space tab space hi, everything is an character. You have to increment number of characters plus 1. Now you have to check the given character is alphabet or not. If str of I value is greater than or equal to small a, and str I value is less than or equal to small z. This condition true, ORR str I is greater than or equal to capital A, and str of I value is less than or equal to capital Z. If this condition is true, then number of alphabets is plus plus. If str of I value is equal to 32, means the number of spaces is plus plus, number of spaces plus plus. Or here you have to write directly within the single quotes space within the single quotes. If str I value is equal to tab, then number of tabs plus plus. After execution of this code, every string is end with null character. At the end, last character is null value. So better to take the string value is 100. So every string is end with null character. So null character ASCII value is 0. 0 is replaced here. Then out of the loop. After completion of this loop, print the printf /n. So number of characters is equal to %d number of spaces, number of alphabets, %d next number of spaces, %d next number of tabs, %d comma. So number of characters, number of alphabets, variable name is al, number of alphabets. Next number of spaces, nsp, number of tabs, ntab, semicolon. So you have to save this one. So please remember how to debug this code. So F7, Windows, watch. Here entering what is the string. Here entering string. So next number of everything is a character, number of characters, number of alphabets, number of characters, so number of alphabets, so number of spaces, so number of tabs. So initial all values are 0. Here string garbage values. So enter string. Here I am taking h space e space tab h space once again tab smr space tab smr. So this is the our string. So please remember this is space h. Everything is a character. Starting index is I value is 0. str of I, h is replaced here. Non-zero condition true. Next space non-zero condition true. Next I value is incremented by 2, 3, 4. Space non-zero, tab non-zero, h non-zero, space non-zero, tab non-zero, s m r non-zero, space non-zero, tab non-zero, s m r non-zero. Next 0 condition false out of the loop. F7 everything a character, number of character h is incremented by 1. Now I have to check the h is a so h is a alphabet. Yes, this alphabet is incremented by 1. So 1. This condition is false. This statement is not executed. This one is false. This statement is not executed. Next, I value is 1. str of 1 means space. Number of characters increment by 1. This condition is fail. This one is space. Condition 2. This one is increment by 1. Here the number of spaces is 1. This fail. Next I value is 3. 3. E is character. This one is executed. This failed. Next I value is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, number of characters increment by 1. Everything is character. This one is failed. Space. This one is true. Increment by 1. This is failed. Next, number of character 5. Next, tab. Failed. This one is true. This statement is executed. Yes. Next one is next. So up to null character. So out of the loop, number of characters is 16, number of alphabets is 9, number of spaces 4, number of tabs 3. Alt F5, number of characters, alphabets, spaces and tabs. So this is number of characters, so still you have any doubts? Please refer once again. Thank you for watching.